What does it take to stay ahead of people in our rapidly changing world? Imagine being able to speak the language of the future, working side by side with AI to unlock amazing possibilities. If you're curious about how to not just survive but thrive in this exciting AI-driven era, you're in the right place. Stick around as we explore the 10 AI skills you need now to stay ahead of the game. Number 1. Prompt engineering, the art of whispering to machines. Prompt engineering is like having a magic wand to get AI to do exactly what you need. It's about crafting precise questions or commands to guide AI models to deliver the best results. Imagine you're a wizard crafting a spell. The better your spell, or prompt, the more powerful the outcome. For example, OpenAI's GPT-4, updated in 2023, became more responsive and accurate thanks to better prompt engineering. If you wanted a detailed summary of a news article, a good prompt might be, summarize the key points of the article published in the New York Times on May 15, 2023, about the global economic impact of AI. This gives clear instructions and context. Companies like Google and Microsoft have improved their AI assistants by investing in prompt engineering. In 2022, Google reported a 30% improvement in AI response accuracy due to effective prompts. Mastering this skill means understanding how to ask the right questions to get the best AI output. Number 2. Natural language processing, understanding the language of machines. NLP enables machines to understand and respond to human language. Imagine chatting with a computer that gets not only your words but also the meaning behind them. NLP has revolutionized how we interact with technology. For instance, Amazon's Alexa improved user engagement by 25% in 2023 thanks to better NLP, allowing it to handle more complex queries. NLP powers tools like Google Translate, which processes over 100 billion words daily across 100+ languages. In 2022, improved NLP reduced translation errors by 55%, making communication smoother. In healthcare, NLP analyzes patient records and research papers to improve diagnosis and treatment plans. IBM's Watson uses NLP to suggest treatment options for cancer patients, matching doctors' recommendations 93% of the time in 2021. Number 3. AI business strategy and implementation. Integrating AI into your business strategy involves identifying where AI can improve processes, assessing risks, and creating a roadmap for successful integration. For example, McDonald's acquired Dynamic Yield for $300 million in 2019 to personalize its drive-thru and kiosk experiences using AI. This boosted sales by recommending menu items based on time, weather, and preferences. Develop a robust AI strategy by finding areas where AI adds value, like personalized marketing or optimized supply chain management. Overcoming challenges like internal resistance is crucial. 61% of companies face this in 2021. Foster a culture of innovation and continuous learning to successfully implement AI. Number 4. Data fluency, making numbers dance. Data fluency is about turning raw data into meaningful stories. It involves collecting, analyzing, and visualizing data to make informed decisions. Netflix used data fluency in 2022 to enhance recommendation algorithms, increasing user engagement by 20%. They analyzed viewing patterns to suggest shows users would enjoy. Data fluency was crucial during the COVID-19 pandemic. The Johns Hopkins COVID-19 dashboard, launched in 2020, provided real-time insights that informed public health decisions. In business, data fluency helps companies like Starbucks optimize operations. By analyzing sales data, weather patterns, and customer preferences, they adjusted inventory and promotions, increasing revenue by 8% in 2021. Mastering data fluency involves learning tools like Excel, Tableau, and Python to interpret and present data clearly. This skill is essential for making decisions backed by solid evidence. Number 5. Intuitive understanding of AI limitations, knowing when to say no. AI is strong, but not perfect. Knowing its limits helps you avoid problems and make better choices. AI learns from data, but this data might be unfair or not enough. For example, in 2018, a study showed that facial recognition software from big companies like Amazon and IBM made more mistakes with darker skin tones. This happened because the data used to train the AI was not balanced. When you know this, you can question AI results and ask for more fair data. Another problem is ethics. AI can spread harmful ideas or make choices without understanding feelings. In healthcare, AI might care more about being fast than about patients' feelings, missing the human touch. It's important to have people checking AI so it works well with human judgment. Knowing when to use AI and when to trust humans is crucial. For example, in 2021, a study found that 30% of jobs could be done by AI, but jobs like therapists or teachers need human skills. Being wise about when to use AI and when to trust humans is a big part of using AI responsibly. Number 6. Creative AI thinking, unleashing the unexpected. AI isn't just for mundane tasks. It's a powerhouse for creativity. Companies like OpenAI have developed tools like GPT-4 that can write poetry, compose music, and even generate visual art. In 2018, an AI-generated portrait titled Edmund de Bellamy sold for $432,500 at Christie's, showcasing the artistic potential of AI. Imagine collaborating with AI to brainstorm new product ideas or generate unique marketing content. AI tools like DALL-E can create stunning visuals from textual descriptions, providing artists and designers with fresh inspiration. Musicians can use AI platforms like Amper Music to compose original scores, exploring new genres and styles. Think of AI as your creative partner. For example, in 2020, filmmaker Oscar Sharp and AI researcher Ross Goodwin created a short film, Sunspring, with a script entirely written by AI. This collaboration pushed the boundaries of traditional filmmaking, demonstrating AI's potential in creative fields. Embrace AI to unlock new dimensions of creativity and innovation. Number 7. AI problem solving with a machine twist. AI excels at solving complex problems, but it needs the right questions. For instance, Google DeepMind's AI AlphaGo defeated a world champion Go player in 2016 by approaching the game in unconventional ways. This highlighted AI's ability to tackle challenges that even experts find difficult. In business, AI can optimize supply chains by predicting demand and identifying inefficiencies. Amazon uses AI to manage its vast logistics network, ensuring timely deliveries and reducing costs. This involves critical thinking to frame the right problems for AI to solve. Learning how to interpret AI results and understand their limitations is crucial. AI models might suggest solutions, but human judgment is needed to validate these suggestions. A 2020 study by McKinsey showed that companies using AI for problem solving saw a 20% increase in productivity. Collaborating with AI allows you to address challenges more effectively and creatively. Number 8. AI-powered personal branding. Amplify your voice with AI. Stand out in the digital crowd by using AI to enhance your personal brand. Platforms like LinkedIn and Medium can be optimized with AI tools. For example, Grammarly's AI-powered writing assistant can refine your posts, making your content more engaging and professional. AI can analyze your audience to identify what content resonates most. Tools like BuzzSumo use AI to track trending topics and keywords, helping you create content that attracts attention. By personalizing your message with AI insights, you can connect with your audience more effectively. In 2021, a study by HubSpot found that personalized content led to a 20% increase in engagement rates. AI can also help you schedule posts for optimal times, ensuring maximum visibility. With AI, your unique voice can reach a broader audience, making your personal brand more influential. Number 9. AI curiosity and continuous learning. AI is a rapidly evolving field, so staying curious and engaged is essential. Platforms like Coursera and Udacity offer AI courses from top universities, enabling continuous learning. In 2023, Coursera reported a 30% increase in AI course enrollments, reflecting growing interest in this field. Attending workshops and conferences such as the annual AI Summit in New York can keep you updated on the latest advancements. Engaging with AI communities on platforms like GitHub and Reddit allows you to share knowledge and learn from others. Keeping up with AI trends can also be rewarding. A report by the World Economic Forum in 2020 estimated that AI could create 58 million new jobs by 2025. Continuous learning ensures you stay ahead, adapting to new tools and techniques as they emerge. Number 10. Humans and machines collaboration, a powerful team. The future belongs to those who can effectively collaborate with AI. Understanding AI's capabilities and limitations enables you to leverage its strengths. For example, AI can handle data analysis while you provide the creativity and strategic thinking. In healthcare, AI-powered diagnostic tools assist doctors by analyzing medical images, but the final decision relies on human expertise. A 2020 study by Stanford University found that combining AI with human judgment improved diagnostic accuracy by 20%. Learning to communicate with AI involves understanding how to input data and interpret results. Platforms like IBM's Watson offer tools for various industries, from finance to customer service. By collaborating with AI, you can enhance efficiency and innovation in your work. So, what do you think? Are you ready to dive into the world of AI and stay ahead of the curve? These 10 skills are your roadmap to becoming a valuable player in the AI-driven future. Which skill are you most excited to learn about? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and tips on how to navigate the AI landscape. There's always more to discover, and our next video will dive even deeper into the fascinating world of AI. Keep learning, and let's shape the future together.